Welcome back to my channel, Sojourners. This is your girl, Glitzy. Stay tuned. Okay, Sojourners, here I am again, still in my garden working. This time I am pruning my Irish potatoes, getting off some of the leaves because they don't need all these leaves, and to see if it needs any more soil. Okay, so join me as I do this, Sojourners. Here we go. Here are my potatoes. Hope you can see. Okay, so I have my pruner and I go through and I'm pruning. All right, so you can get some more airflow. Okay, one of the good things about pruning is that the plant will get more air passing through it. So it doesn't need all these bottom leaves here, and my chickens will do well with those, I guess. So I'm pruning all these leaves, guys. Doesn't need all these leaves based on my research. Okay, all the energy will be going to these leaves at the bottom. So if you can get off these leaves, then your plant is going to thrive better. So here we go. Now, Sojourners, some people don't prune their Irish potato plants because they think it is not necessary. But pruning can offer several benefits, and that's why I do it. It improves the airflow, it allows the sunlight to penetrate the plant. It also reduces the risk of diseases, and it increases the development of the tuber, especially when it is done strategically. Now, the pruning can also help direct the plant's energy towards the growth of the tuber when you remove the flowering buds from the plant. And pruning also improves the overall yield. So in the long run, you get more Irish potatoes. Now, as you can see, this is 10 TLC. Okay, I'm giving my plant TLC. Tender loving care. Okay, tender loving care, guys. A lot of TLC. We need TLC, and the plants also need TLC. Have you ever noticed that when you walk around and touch your plants and talk to them, they thrive more? Yes. Guys, you'd not believe that you have so many leaves in here. Oh my gosh, it was so bushy. Wow. All these leaves, you would not believe how much energy it is taking away from the plants. So we have to get them off. All these bottom leaves, we have to get them off. Sojourners, we have to get them off so air can pass through. So going around to this side. Looks much better now, guys. Much better, Sojourners. Much better. Okay, much better. Of course, I'm gonna add some soil to it. Okay, so there we go. I'll be adding some soil to it now. And then I get these leaves to my chickens. So I'm going to put some soil in this one. There I go, get some soil and get back to you. Now, Sojourners, I'll be adding some soil to the pots. So here we go. We have done the pruning. We have added the soil. We have added fertilizer. So they're good to go right now. Learners, this is it, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you're new to my channel, please touch that subscribe button before you leave, because it helps to build my channel. And if you appreciate this video, why not give me a thumbs up? Thank you so much, guys. Love you all. See you all in my next video. Bye-bye.
Thank you all for watching. Thanks to my returning friends. Thanks to all those who are new to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe before you leave and click the bell so you will stay updated with future videos. Bye, guys.